We declare
In 5,
We will remain unbowed. This is the true spirit of Davao. And this is the true meaning of Kadayawan. The festival also supports the local economy by promoting tourism, agriculture, and small businesses, providing opportunities for family to earn a living during the celebration. Beyond the festivities, Kadayawan reminds us that true prosperity comes from preserving our culture, supporting one another, and striving for a society that is fair, peaceful, and inclusive. Tabaweños, let us stand tall and proud. We have endured poverty, terrorism, insurgency, and even a global pandemic. Through every challenge, we have remained united and hopeful. We are one. These struggles did not define us. They made us stronger. We will continue to rise, support one another, and move forward with courage, wisdom, and faith. We will remain unbowed. This is the true spirit of Davao. And this is the true meaning of Kadayawan.